What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to be doing a quick video on the roof rack and everything and just showing you guys what I've got accomplished so far. We haven't put it on the truck yet, but so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I have you guys propped up on the larger tripod that I actually do have to clean because it got grease flung all over it from that previous video of the cleaners, the degreasers video with Purple Power Extreme, Simple Green, and Super Clean, and that really greasy, caked in oil skid plate for 4Runners, which I did get clean, by the way, before I show you guys this. So this is that one right here. Turn this light on. This is the one that was caked in that extremely thick amount of grease and oil. I have to say it has to have been about 3/4 thick. It also had gravel and rock caked in it as well. For that, I got this from Eric West's Toyland Auto. I was telling you guys about. There is previous videos of this that's completely caked the day I bought it and everything like that. But you can see I got it clean. I actually got it scuffed up for paint. I do have one over here, just to give you guys an update. There's one over here, right here, that has been painted. It dribbled a little bit. I'm not worried about it. The paint doesn't have to be perfect. It's just gotta do. It's just gotta coat it. You know, these parts do have powder. They are powder coated technically. So you don't necessarily have to paint it. I only paint them to make, to protect the powder coating. So this right here, all this right here is powder coating. It's got lots of scratches in it. A lot of these scratches I actually put in it to scuff it up to paint it. So this one I need to take outside, need to paint. This one I already got prepped. This is the nicest one with the least amount of dents. You can see the paint. It bubbled and it ran, and you know, I'm not worried about it. I got this one right here, completely stripped down. This is the one that was also attached to the plate that I just showed you. That was caked in oil and everything, caked on oil and everything. This is this one right here. Got it completely clean. Even some of the powder coating ended up started coming off, which is no big deal. I got this one prepped also. This one has actually seen a lot of rust. This one needs to be repaired, but got all those prepped for paint. Need to prep these two for paint as well. The two tow hitches, the OEM original tow hitches. But we got, this is the roof rack. This is every component for the roof rack, except for this piece back here. This is the deflector in the rear. I just happened to paint it also. So we have the two side rails. These two pieces right here are the side rails, and I painted both front and back of all of these pieces. This piece right here is actually the protective sleeve that goes on the back of these rails. This is what sits against the body of the truck. So this actually sits on the paint, the truck's paint, and protects the rail from the paint. And then these are the two cross beams right here. And these guys, like this right here, this rubber sleeve actually goes right there. So the rubber sleeve goes on top like that. So I did clean, I didn't paint the rubber sleeves, but I did clean everything that had to do with them. The rubber. So that one goes there. So it'll look like that. And then these go on the bottoms of these rails. No. Doesn't look like those go on those. Where is it? These go on some rails. Can't remember which ones. These might actually go on the bottom of these. I don't remember. But I did get everything clean. These two right here, these have the bolt holes because they are for these holes right here. Got the side rails, so these pieces right here actually attached to these two pieces. These pieces right here go on the ends of the main rails. So these actually go on the ends right here. And I'm sure this is a little bit hard to see. Move the tripod right here out the way. I did get all the hardware clean the best I could. I got these end caps clean as well. These actually go on the ends of these crossbars. They go right here. I got the knobs and everything painted. There's a little bit of paint on the threads at the very top, but it is not important. I just put these in like a, put them in a pizza box, stuck them in a pizza box and just painted them. Same with these guys right here. But everything has been prepped and painted. It's actually been drying for about a month and a half now. All of these pieces were actually hanging. I'm sure you guys have seen them in lots of videos. They were hanging right here and right here, and then some of them were actually playing right here. And here's that pizza box I was talking about that I used to paint the knobs and everything. So I just took them down so that I could do the video for you guys. I wanted to show you guys, and I did paint the deflector as well. This is the deflector that I paid 25 bucks for. I don't actually need to put it on a vehicle because none of the vehicles are missing their deflector, but I might put it on a vehicle just because I painted it and it's nice and it looks good, and it's not so faded. But that's all I got for you guys today. I did paint all the rails, all the components. This rack is to put the full rack back on rows because for some reason the previous owners, and the truck isn't here. My wife has the truck. I'll show you guys real quick. There's Beast, there's Sky, and Rose that's usually parked right here is not here today. So just to show you guys that I can't take you out there and show you what I'm talking about, but there is several videos on the channel where I've shown it before. Rose is the 2000 limited 4x4 that I recently got after the truck accident. The roof line, half of the roof rack was missing. Like all of these pieces right here were missing. All of these pieces were missing. These are missing, which actually go to the ends of these right here. And I actually went as far as I even covered this label, and I peeled it off before I started the video, but I covered what was left of that label. It came out pretty amazing. On when I peeled it off, the paint looked great, but these triangular shaped caps actually go onto these bars right here, these two bars, and they're the main large heightened rack rails, and then these are the cross bracings that go onto the roof. These guys should actually go to these right here. remember which way it goes, to be honest. I just know that these are protective sleeves. I think it goes like that, actually. But they're sleeves to protect the rail from the paint. Peel it off. Kind of stuck it in the groove. But so everything was painted. Everything was degreased. You know, this one probably needs to be degreased again, but it will do. Everything was painted other than the rubber pieces. All these rubber and plastic pieces were not painted, or rubberized plastic pieces. So anything that sits on the body I did not paint, like these pieces that are supposed to protect all these rails from the body. Didn't paint any of those, but I did get all of the caps, the screws, and everything painted. The only thing I didn't paint is the actual main screws that physically go into the roof. But like I was saying, half of this stuff was missing on rows. One of these crossbars is missing. These two pieces right here, these two wide pieces that go to these caps, these triangle shaped caps, those are missing on Rose's roof rack. All of these are missing on Rose's roof rack. I think two are missing on only one side. I think it's these two that are missing. And somebody put, you know, 2.5 inch wide by like 1/16 bar stock underneath these main rails, so it looks weird. That bar stock was never painted. It's completely rusting. So I got to get that off of the paint as soon as possible, so it doesn't rust anymore, or it doesn't start rusting worse and then start attacking the roof paint as well. That's my concern. So I purchased this roof rack from Jason Young. There's several videos I've done for things I picked up from Jason Young. I picked this up at the exact same time that I picked up 2 cargo covers and a few other things from him. I got a steering spindle from him as well, which his steering spindle I got from him is right here, the one with the rusted face. I'm waiting to pick up a tool so I can take this apart and put my hub on, because my hub isn't rusted. This one is pretty badly rusted. And then I got new ball joints and everything for that. So I just don't have the funds at the moment to go pick up the other tool at the moment. And it's not because I'm broke, it's just because, you know, I'm just staying afloat at the moment. Since the truck accident, I haven't been working for several months. So been trying to keep myself busy by doing stuff like this, because I can't wrench on any vehicles at the moment because of my neck and back problems from the accident and the spinal issues in my neck. But just a quick video, guys. I wanted to show you that I did, you know, back then I did tell you that I get them painted and everything, and I did. I got them painted like a month or so ago, 2 months ago I think is when I started it. It just one of those things that I wanted to let them dry and everything, so I can put them on a towel and I can pick them up and you know, no longer transferring my fingerprints to the paint because the paint's not completely cured. The paint is completely cured now. You know, fingerprints do not physically, the fingerprints do come up. You know, I'll have to wipe it down with a cloth. But it's not like causing any issues. You can see, there you go. So my fingerprints do show up when I wipe, and the grease on my hands. But there you go. You can see all the fingerprint marks and everything. But they all came out really well. I can't really ask for much more than that. But I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Let me know what you guys think of the paint. To me, I was wanting to paint it like red or a dark red or a dark green or something else, but it's a roof rack. It wouldn't make sense for it to be colorful like that to me, especially since the original one was black. You know, who knows, maybe I'll paint the deflector a different color someday or something like that. The wind deflector that goes on the hatch, aka spoiler in the back. But everything got painted. I think the black came out pretty well. I've been using this stuff right here. This is Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel 15-minute fast dry. It does fast dry, yes. In 15 minutes you can put a second and third coat, no problem. Every 15 minutes, you know, you can put another coat. This stuff is great. This is the gloss black. I could have used matte black, but I don't have very many cans of the matte black. This is good paint. I've used this on undercarriages. I've used it on frame rails. I've used it on rims. I've used it on this stuff right here, skid plates. So, you know, give it a try, guys, if you want to check it out. Do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I just got to assemble this now and then put it on the truck. Who knows? I don't know if I'm going to do that right now. I may turn around and install this on the truck 6 months from now. Who knows? It's just kind of if I feel up to it or not. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I hope the information was helpful. I hope that you guys get some enjoyment out of the fact that I did finish the project. It was not something that I stated, hey, I'm gonna paint this, I got this from here and there and blah blah blah, and just never showed it on the channel again. And I'm bad with that. I'll show something I purchased or something that's replacing something, and I never show the finished project or something like that, and I apologize, guys. And I'll probably record a video after if I've installed it. It's not really hard. You just, these little Torx right here, they physically hold the main rails to the body. These right here, with these little slides, these actually go in the main rails. So these are the main rails right here. You actually slide these in here, and it allows you to attach these screws. That's what that's for. So that's what those do. They allow you to attach the screws. See? Figured I'd show you guys that real quick. Bring it back down. But that's what those are for. You can do 5 on each rail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all there is 6 technically. I could always take the other 6 off the other one and end up putting these are just the hold down straps is what they are. But I do appreciate you guys. I'll figure it out then. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!